Hey guys, I'm Crystal Cruz with Ring. Welcome to our house at this year's Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. It's 2020. We have some brand new products to share with you to help make neighborhoods safer and brighter with smart lighting. First, let's talk about the Ring Smart Lighting solar devices. We have three. We have the floodlight, the path light, and the step light. Now, these are really great options to light up any dark areas around your home. We're talking about your driveway, or the paths maybe to your garbage can or to your pool, and even the steps around your house. And with these, you won't need electrical outlets or power lines because they come with the solar panels right here on the top to charge their batteries. Now, these are really easy to install. They're motion activated, and with the Ring Bridge, you can control them from your Ring app. And we also have our first ever smart LED light bulbs. These are a great way to upgrade the indoor or outdoor light fixtures that you already have and include them in your Ring home security system. And with the Ring Bridge, you can easily turn these on and off. You can dim them, set their schedules all through the Ring app. The new smart lighting devices will be available April 1st. Next, we have the X line. It's a premium line for anyone who likes their Ring devices professionally installed. The bundle includes the Ring Protect Basic plan for the lifetime of the device and a 3-year limited warranty. The X line will be available through select professional installers later this year. Available now is the Ring Access Controller Pro. With this, you can open your electronically controlled gate through the Ring app. Now, if you have a Ring doorbell or a camera, you can check out your live view, see who's at your gate, and you can let them in from anywhere you are. The Ring Access Controller Pro is great for Amazon deliveries because with Key by Amazon, your delivery driver can get one-time access to securely deliver your package inside your gate. You can get this now on ring.com or amazon.com for $2.99. We look forward to seeing you build the ring of security around your home with our new devices. It's 2020. We're just getting started here at Ring, so stay tuned. And remember, with Ring, you're always home.